Throughout these videos, we have seen that in order to simplify and help us where necessary, GeneXus Next offers artificial intelligence assistance, both at the knowledge base level and at the object level. Although we have had a first approach to the development of applications with GeneXus Next, in addition to what we have seen, it offers much more. For example, it offers access to external databases. Through reverse engineering processes, it is possible to access external databases to interact with our applications, allowing integration with external systems. It also offers the possibility of collaborative development through GeneXus Next Server. So, this means that it is possible to publish a knowledge base on a server and that the team of developers can access it and work collaboratively, regardless of their geographical location. It is also possible to create and consume web services, design and customize user interfaces for both web and mobile applications. It is also possible to document within the knowledge base through a documentation editor. Regarding application security, it offers an integrated security module called GeneXus Next Access Manager. It is enough to enable the integration of this module for GeneXus to automatically solve authorization and authentication tasks. It is also possible to define reports, either static or dynamic. With GeneXus Next, it is possible to model, optimize, and export business processes, improving the visibility and understanding of these processes. It also enables the integration of applications with SAP systems. Under the name GeneXus for SAP systems, it integrates a set of functionalities that allow you to rely on all the power of GeneXus as a low-code tool, adding specific aspects for the SAP ecosystem. In addition, we cannot forget about application testing, which is another fundamental task in the software development cycle. Through the creation of unit tests, it is possible to test components of our application in isolation and thus ensure that the final application works properly. In addition, GXTest allows you to save sequences of operations that are then automatically reproduced and allow you to check that the system works correctly. To simplify and enhance the design of applications, GeneXus Next has a design assistant. It is a Figma plugin that integrates seamlessly with GeneXus using generative artificial intelligence, allowing you to accelerate and optimize the application design process. GeneXus for super apps. GeneXus provides all the components and technology to build a super app from scratch or convert a current application. A super app is an ecosystem that has a variety of services that are not necessarily related to each other, but coexist within the same application. It is composed of many mini apps that can run as standalone native applications that are independent of the super app and can even be developed by third parties. This results in a better end-user experience. Another outstanding feature is that GeneXus Next is cross-platform. This means that it is accessible from any device with support for Mac, Windows, and Linux. However, beyond all these capabilities, GeneXus Next has other fundamental components to improve the design and development process. Let's see a little more. Globant Enterprise AI. It is an enterprise platform designed to facilitate the implementation of AI assistants adapted to different needs and areas of specific specialization. It is possible to create AI assistants that can integrate and interact with current operations, processes, systems, and documents, thus generating new paths of innovation and productivity. One of the great benefits of Globant Enterprise AI is the ability to select a large language model and then switch to another without the need to modify definitions. It acts as a secure bridge connecting enterprise applications with LLMs while providing a variety of tools and features that drive productivity and innovation. We also have the option to use a tool that is able to generate a working prototype from the description of an idea, GeneXus Next Start. It is a tool that allows anyone, regardless of their technical level, to create business applications with the help of artificial intelligence. With GeneXus Next Start, you only have to describe the idea and the assistant turns it into a working prototype in minutes. It is a combination of different AI assistants and GeneXus technology. The work takes place between a no-code conversational environment and a low-code development environment, as GeneXus has always been. For all these reasons, GeneXus Next is the low-code application development platform that ensures the eternal youth of the code, taking advantage of the power of artificial intelligence to automate and simplify the creation, evolution, and maintenance of software solutions.